So, you want to penetrate the world better, so straight through the world, penetrate like you have a, like, really important, you're really, really important. Or, just the big man. The big man. So, there's like certain formulas, certain tactics, there's a whole bunch of things. And, everyone you see who just goes straight through the world, like, they have a certain meaning, a certain just thing that's an absolute certainty. I'm just rambling. I'm just rambling on. I'm stealing your attention away. So you don't feel like, you're important. You don't feel like the guy. I get that. So there's certain ways to, like, walk, just go into the world. So first off, you gotta get your posture back. You gotta get, your posture. Yeah, open up your chest more. And if it's tough and you're like sore and tight right here, if you do, go up to a wall. Like, imagine my hand's a wall here. And you gotta twist and until, like, you feel a stretch right here. That will be like the perfect stretch in order to keep you more postured back, straight back. That is like the perfect exercise to do it. And you want to walk through the world, good posture, chin up, looking straight, not hunchback, looking at your phone like a little gremlin, a little goblin. And you want to just walk efficiently. I know it sounds strange. You don't want I'm not saying to, like, run through the world. I'm not saying to walk super slow. But walk maybe slower than your pace or faster. Walk like you carry some value. And that includes swaying your hips, not your ass. You're not a woman. But swaying your hips from side to side. Not too much. Like, just like that. That is one of the better ways. And then you want to also try to talk and walk. And one thing that doesn't seem very important, don't be a mouth breather. You don't want to be a mouth breather in any way at all. Mouth breathing is just the ultimate form of constration. The way you dress can also affect how, you walk through the world. Like me, I got my Optimus Prime chain on, no shirt, and some shorts. Like the perfect beach attire, most definitely. Although you, in your probably daily life, probably not going to be able to go shirtless. And I'm not saying this in a, like, oh yeah, show off your belly rolls, or like, show off your skinny arms like me. I'm saying show a little bit of your flaws. Doesn't have to be the whole thing. But just show, like, a teensy little bit of it. Enough for, like, most people to notice. When you're talking or, And there's a place and time, though. There's, like, a place and a time. So, yeah. That's about it.